Start your analytics journey right from the school or college days is the topic we are exploring at this exploration series of Opine Group. In this journey of ours, we have Ankur Kolharkar with us, who has started his analytics journey at the grade of 6. Hi Ankur.
Hi.
Talking about Opine Group is a techno-functional consultant group of 80 plus consultants. It has been operational for the past 11 years. It is working in the field of consultation and educational services. So Ankur, would you also like to introduce Opine Group?
Yes, for me, Opine Group is basically a group of senior friends who have always helped me to learn the technologies that I want to learn. They are always they are always ready to answer my queries, and they give me all the help I need with hands-on experience and also some project experience to learn everything I need and make it very easy.
Okay. Can you explain to us what is data analytics and decision support system?
Basically, in data analytics, we gather data from various sources and store it in a data warehouse, from which the data is processed for OLAP analysis, reporting, or data mining. This data is processed through tools like database management systems, or artificial intelligence, or visualization, or different methods. This data gives output like post-analysis reporting, and we can make different interpretations out of it. These interpretations help us to take decisions. This process is known as decision support system.
Okay. Can you explain who can learn data analysis and what was the learning process which you followed?
Well, answer to who can learn data analytics is actually anyone. There is no barrier for who can learn data analytics. You can start at any age, and basically you just have to start.
Okay.
So the process I followed, I started with the concepts. So for example, if I consider the SQL server, I start with learning what is the database management system, how is it used, why is it used, and everything. Next comes increase the level of understanding through informal and formal interactions. Here, I learn more about this usage of this database management system through interactions with experts, with formal and informal interactions with experts, which help to enhance my own understanding. Next comes understanding the purpose behind the tool. So if I learn why to use this tool, it always helps connect you to the tool and help you to understand the tool better. If you know why to use the tool, it is easier for you to use the tool in future. Next comes to learn the actual language or the tool. So here you start learning the actual syntax or methods of using this tool. After actually learning the purpose, this step is easier for you.
Okay.
And the final step is to conduct a project. When you conduct a project, you can make sure that if you have really learned the tool and you understand what the tool is and you can really use it in the actual life. And this goes on in a cycle. You have to start with the concepts and follow this process as long.
Okay, wonderful. Can you tell us about the technologies that you have learned so far?
So basically, I started with the data storage. Data is stored in two basic tools, that is the spreadsheet and the database management systems. So I use spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, and database management systems like the Postgres and the Microsoft SQL Server. Next, the processing tools, that is the languages. Like I have used HTML, Python, C, and QBasic. the data is collected or gathered through the methods like forms or surveys. So I have used Google Forms for this purpose.
Okay.
The data that we collect or store in the database management system is further put into a data warehouse through ETL tool like SQL Server Integration Services. And then this data is processed and presented through SQL Server Reporting Services and SQL Server Analytical Services. So I have basically started learning these tools around 6th grade, and till date I have been fortunate to use so many.
Wonderful, that's great. So you mentioned about a project, Ankur. Can you tell us about this project?
Yes, the project was actually during my 9th grade. I was supposed to approach any social issue and find an innovative solution for it. Okay. So the issue I took was, if there is any accident or a roadside emergency, the person doesn't always get the help at the right time. So in such situations, we need mechanism that the service provider is immediately reported of these issues.
Okay.
So this project has two parts. One is the actual problem and the second is the solution. And this solution has to be, problem and the solution both have to be verified through a survey.
Okay. So can you elaborate more on your survey results?
Yes. The survey actually consists of two parts. One is the problem validity and second is the solution validity. Okay. Both of these have been conducted through a survey on Google Forms. So the basic questions were, if the problem is valid, is there a need for solution, and the solution which I found out, which is a device that a handy device that the service requester will through which the service requester will alert the service provider, and the service can be reached on time.
Okay.
So the results were basically 95% people confirmed that the service is not available on time. 90% voted for a need of solution, and 92% people showed interest for the actual solution that I figured out. And more than this, through the right to public service legislation, people have the right to get service on right time, and if they do not get the service, it is a punishable offense.
Okay, wonderful. Well, congratulations, Ankur. I believe that you have received a gold medal in one of your courses for this project. I have one question for you though. Has learning from the school days really helped you? Could you comment about it?
I think learning from the school days has really benefited me, as I learned with my own pace, whatever I like, through the things I like, and this really helped me to kickstart my computer related journey.
Okay.
So I think I really would like to tell students of my age to start learning at the school age.
Great. Well, Ankur, it was really good talking to you, and it is really encouraging for all the children from school and college and of your age to start their journey as soon as possible in this field of analytics. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.